From the Carl Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, happy Friday, everybody. You know what we love to do? We love to make people's days, but how about if we make a couple's relationship flourish? How about we bring some vibrant color back to it as we're seeing the vibrant colors start to appear around central Iowa with the falling of the leaves? Well, how about we say hi to Andrew Reinehart with Valley View Medical Clinic. Hello, Andrew.
Hello, Lou. How you doing today?
Oh, we're doing great. We want to bring some excitement back into relationships, and you have just the ticket.
Well, we believe we do. Now, we're talking about ED or erectile dysfunction. This is a huge problem. For 30 years, men have taken the pill. My opinion, a major medical breakthrough has arrived. We use a technology called acoustic wave therapy. This is a device that's placed on the skin in our clinic. Pressure waves that don't hurt go into the blood vessels, causing the blood vessels to widen. That is a beautiful thing for life in the bedroom. It allows for more blood flow. It treats the root cause problem of the erectile dysfunction without the use of pills.
Hey, you can see on the left here of this animation here, those are the pressure waves that Andrew was just talking about. But let's take a look at the blood flow, because that's essential, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to increase the blood flow. And why is the reason for the increase in blood flow?
Well, that's right, because one of the leading causes of ED is damaged blood vessels, even hardened blood vessels. So that's a restriction of blood flow. Kind of think of it like a plumbing issue. Our technology opens up and softens the blood vessels so they can dilate, which is the whole point. More blood flow where you want it, when you want it.
Okay, you mentioned the hardened vessels, and that's not really a good thing. Now, does it do anything to repair the hardened vessels? Does it give them some pliability back or anything?
It does. It actually softens those blood vessels. It clears them out safely. This is known as neovascularization. So we're just talking about a healthier blood vessel, which it makes sense because ED is a blood flow issue. It's a physical problem and it needs a physical solution.
I'm glad you said that, and that's something that you have to keep in mind. And what ages can this affect people?
Well, it's not exclusive to older gentlemen. That's kind of a stereotype. We treat men from age 20. I know, hard to believe, but we treat men in their 20s. We treat men in their 90s. So you're not too young. You're not too old. Here's the point. Do something about it. Don't feel like you're abnormal. You're more normal than you think.
There's a lot of studies. You've talked about all the studies that have been done. Are there any studies about how long somebody waits before getting treatment? Because a lot of people, to be quite frank, are embarrassed to step forward and say something.
Yeah, they are. They are a little bit embarrassed. But keep in mind, you only need a few 15-minute sessions over a few weeks. So this is not a big commitment. I actually think we're eliminating the negative out of treating ED, which is the pharmacy and the pill. That's what nobody wants to do. This can allow for that natural spontaneity.
Yeah, and you've mentioned before, you said the pill, and I can't believe it's been, 3 decades now since that has been out. But that doesn't work for everyone, like you've mentioned.
30%, this is what the stats say, 30% of men with ED do not get a response with the pill, and then over 80% get side effects. So that's not a good thing. We don't want that. Also, it's a Band-Aid. With this treatment, no side effects, no chemicals.
All right. What about something great that you're offering right now? What do we have going on over at Valley View Medical Clinic?
If you or your man are struggling with ED, if you're ready to do something about your love life, grab your phone and call us before this segment ends. Exam, assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound will be free. And a gift, I think you're going to like this. It's a booster, produces rapid results in the bedroom, all no charge.
All right, here's the number, 515-300-5555. 515-300-5555. That is the number to call to get a hold of Valley View Medical Clinic. It's right here in Pleasant Hill, right off the bypass at the Pleasant Hill Health Plaza. Easy to find on the north side of the building is where you enter into it, right by the stoplights. You know where the stoplights are, just east of the bypass. That's where it is located. And when are you guys open?
We are open Monday through Saturday, so we can accommodate just about any schedule, generally long hours each day as well.
Right, and you mentioned 15-minute sessions. The first, evaluation, how long does the first evaluation take?
That's maybe 30 minutes. And I will say that if you decide to go forward with treatments, you can start that same day,
Oh, okay.
maybe start seeing the results. So it comes on pretty quick.
All right, so that's so you're taking care of two things at once when you go in. So
There you go.
again, take advantage of the special 515-300-5555 for Valley View Medical Clinic right here in Pleasant Hill. Andrew Reinhart, medical technician, thank you so much for information. You have yourself a great weekend.
Thanks, Lou. You too.